They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on my video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting me and hitting that like button, guys. And also thank you for helping me get to 2,000 subscribers. We just hit that a couple weeks ago. Make sure you continue to share my videos so that we can continue to, grow. I wanted to bring to you guys, I know it's been a week or so, but I wanted to bring to you guys just a short haul of some of my favorite type of pants. They're from FashionNova, of course. Everything I wear, for the most part, is from FashionNova. I just like the quality of clothes that they have, the prices, and then also how they fit on me, too. So, it's for the most part, it's always going to be FashionNova when it comes to, my wearing my regular clothes. So, I just have 4 pair for you guys, 4 pair of pants. They're all very similar in material, but just different patterns. And I wanted to just, give you guys an idea of some of the different ones that they have. Stay tuned to the end where I'll be showing you my favorite out of the 4. And I hope you guys enjoy. So let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So the first one I have is kind of on the darker side. These are, it's a couple different colors in them. It's like a tan. It's just all over the place, basically. It's a lot of different colors. I hope you guys can see the different colors in this. I will be inserting like a little clip of me with them on for you guys so that you guys can see how they fit, how good they fit, how, I just love them. They're high waist. They are bell-bottom pants. So even when I like kind of pull them all the way up, they still drape the floor for me. So I love that bell-bottom, so you could pair it with a heel if you want, or a flat. I think it goes both, either way it looks great with both. So, like I said, most of these are the same. So you can just, what I usually do is I'll pick a color out of the pattern and then I'll usually throw a crop top on that color. So, or you could just keep it simple and go white or black. That always works too if you don't, have any particular color that's in there. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. They're very stretchy, extremely stretchy, and I love that about these. They're not see-through, which is a huge thing. A lot of times when you have stretchy material, it's see-through. These are not, so I love that. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one. This one is, I'm going to say this one has a lot of blue in it, like the navy blue color. Navy blue, some browns in it, and white. This one, it's a little more simple. And, yeah, so like the browns, and then it has like triangles in it. It's very much a fun pattern. And I think that's how come I like them, because it's like, when I have them on, it's very crazy. It looks, it's a whole bunch going on, but I think that adds to the flowiness of it. It just it helps. I can't explain it. Hopefully you guys understand what I'm trying to say in the video. Just how it moves with you, kind of. Instead of it just being like a basic color pants. So the next one is, this one has more like pinks in it, sort of. Not necessarily like, not a bright pink, but like a darker pink, maybe like maroon, kind of. Some blacks in it, whites. Like I said, because when my pants are crazy, you know, a crazy, pattern, I usually keep it simple with the top, just like I paired them in the video that you'll see, the little clip, with the white. So I'll just pick a white, black, just to keep it simple and the pretty much keep the spotlight on the pants. So that's what I usually do. And then I'll, pair it with like a purse, pop a color purse, pick a color that I have inside of the pants. And that's pretty much it. Now, my last pair, I hope I didn't go too fast for you guys. My last pair I've had these other ones, the last three, I probably ordered, I can't remember exactly when, but it was like a couple of months ago, within a year ago for sure. So I just got these, but these I've had for so many years. These were like the beginning of me buying these type of pants, because when I bought them, I saw them on a model, thought it was cute, bought them, and I fell in love with this type, how it fits on me, how it's just, I can't explain it, guys, but it just flows with me. It almost feels like I'm not wearing pants, but I am. And but they're just so lightweight, basically, is what I'm trying to say. They're very lightweight. Like I said again, not see-through. Now, these I feel like they're all extra larges, but I feel like I checked the tag earlier and it says the material of these are polyester and spandex. Now, I want to see if there's a difference in these, because I do feel like these are, and maybe it's because I had it for so long, I kind of maybe stretched them out of place a little bit. But I feel like these are, I have more room in these than in these. So let me just check to see. So this one says 96% polyester, 4% spandex. So it's pretty much the same. I think these are 95%. So that polyester spandex put together gives you just, I feel like the perfect type of pants, when it comes to being comfortable. It does not, I will say that if you are looking for some type of control, in like the tummy area, it doesn't provide that much control. So, if, you're feeling a little, you had a couple, too much to eat, this weekend, you might want to, hold off on that. Or you could wear, I always say on my channel, if you have like your Spanx or, what is the Kim Kardashian brand? Skims. If you have your Skims, you can wear that under just to give you that extra control, because this doesn't offer, it's just lightweight. It literally is like throwing a t-shirt on. There's no support, but it is high waist, so you can pull it all, up and still get that look, that, curvy look. But you're going to have to provide your own support, basically, if you need it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to come on and give you guys a quick video. I'm going to have another video posted probably by the end of the week, if not the beginning of the week. It's probably going to be another leggings haul. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday, the holiday that's coming up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video to let me know that you guys like this type of video. And also comment below which one was your favorite. I told you my favorite was the number 4, the fourth one. So just let me know which one is you guys' favorite. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.